Do you want to know how to turn $5,000 into $1 million? I'm going to teach you how. And the key is there's a little tax trick that's going to make it all happen. It's not fast. It takes a lot of steps, but if you follow it all the way through for years, over years, you can get there. Let's get through it. Here's step one. You're going to start small. And by small, I mean maybe $5,000 or something like that. We're going to use a low down payment program, DPA, we refer to, down payment assistance, to get you into your first home. Now, this is not going to be your dream home. This is going to be an investment home, and you got to think about it that way because you're going to be able to use a primary rate, which gives you a lower interest rate and doesn't require much in terms of down payment. And we're going to buy in at that point. Now, the key is we got to start small. So it's going to have to be something that you're okay with working on over time and living in. That's the key. Step two is you're going to live in this and you're going to fix it up slowly. So this is not a huge fix and flip. This is a slow motion flip. So the key with that is you're going to look for high ROI fixes. Things like paint, maybe flooring, some landscaping, stuff like that. You're trying to make this house more appealing from the time you bought it to when you're going to go and sell it. All right, step three, sell it and keep your profit. And the little trick I mentioned is there is a little loophole, if you will. It is tax-free capital gains as long as you have lived in the house for at least 2 out of the past 5 years when you go to sell it. So that means that all that appreciation you have gotten while you've lived in the property, you're not gonna have to pay capital gains tax on it. So you're gonna take that profit that you just made, and then we're gonna roll it into the next property as we make our way up this little ladder. All right, step four, this is where we trade up. This means that we're gonna take that little nest egg that we've been building over the past 2 years and we're going to buy a slightly more expensive house. Now, we're not jumping up in price point here. We're just building it a little bit at a time. And the key here is we're gonna try to look for something that we can negotiate for to get in a good position. So that means we're gonna ask for repairs from the seller. If it's new construction, we're gonna try to get upgrades. We're gonna do all the things to try to get a better and better investment each house we go up the ladder. Step five, we're gonna rinse and repeat. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, which means this is an investment strategy for real people. We're not gonna try to time the market and only buy at certain times. Really, we're just trying to make smart investments on each house, and we're gonna just do this incrementally over time and let that equity build. A couple tips to watch out for. You wanna make sure that every house you inspect it and you look for red flags, because a bad investment, a bad house can really derail you on this scheme, if you will. The other thing is you want to get a realtor who's really going to work with you and be your realtor for life and in this with you. That means someone who's not going to pressure you, who's not going to push you into a house that has a lot of issues, and that's really going to do the math with you to make this work. The thing is, I want to be your realtor for life. So if you're in the North Carolina or South Carolina, Charlotte region, give us a call. We would love to help you make your little investment turn into $1 million over time.